So hi my good people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having fun and you enjoyed the reviews that I did. So today I'm back at Simtech. Here is replaced again. Last time I was here I had a few of them replaced, I think about 10, and it has been a long while because the last time I posted the channel, the video, that is the last time I was here. So today I'm here to have it checked and see which cells have a problem. The battery rack looks like this. It's a set like this, so you'll get to see it once it has been opened. Okay, enjoy. Uzunguke kuja ipande utoe. Chukua hiyo. Hii hapa. Hii. Hiyo. Good job. So we're going to remove the cover, and then there's a procedure that is going to be done. So we are going to test. Once they do a test, they diagnose using the computer, so they will check for an error in the vehicle, in the command system, and then after that we'll test using the voltmeter to see which ones are faulty. Another thing with the procedure is that they also have to actually to stop one engine so that they deal with they operate with one engine so that they know which one. What is the cover? Once the cover is removed, now you can see the back. So we're going to check each cell. From checking each cell, it will tell us which one is faulty using a voltmeter. So the cells are adjusted. Naona moja moja.
Yo tage meikarira agumu mani. Yo kado tage meikarira agumu gukumia. Tumehe ai boko ya goko. Yo hii zitaki.
Zote zinafaa kuonesha 6-7. Inafaa kuwa imefika zaidi ya 6.
Betri mzuri inafaa kusoma 7.
7. Oh. So there are 9 of them. These are the bad ones again. Alafu zinawekwa hivyo. So this is the rack. Yeah. So there are 20 in number. The first 4 and the bottom 5.
Hii inanga hivi. Hata hii taa imewaka nikitoka extra. On Sunday. Hii gari ilianza kitu kima, nilingoja nifika Nakuru nimeacha hiyo taa yangu na brake. Nikafika Nakuru nikaingia hotel nikagoja
So now it's over. Kufunga. And after that, when they finish assembly and positioning it, they will reset from the computer. So now the work is done. What is left is to go and clean the car. Yes. Last time I was here was about 6 months ago. whereby I got about 7 of them replaced. So today I have replaced 9 of them. Yes, so that totals to 16. And this vehicle has how many cells in it? 20. So a big thank you to Simon again for doing what he does best, making clients happy.